So, you want to invest in real estate, but your wallet has the emotional range of a sad trombone? Relax. We're about to turn that $78.42 and zero experience into the start of your real estate empire. Trust me, it's like playing Monopoly, but with fewer tantrums and more spreadsheets. First, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the one-bedroom apartment you can barely afford. You don't need a trust fund or $1 million to start. You need strategy. Think of it like making ramen noodles gourmet. Possible, but requires creativity. Step 1. House hacking. No, this doesn't involve crowbars or ski masks. It's renting out parts of your primary residence. Buy a duplex or triplex with an FHA loan, only 3.5% down, and live in one unit while renting the others. Your tenants pay the mortgage, and boom, you've just Jedi mind-tricked your way into homeownership. Step 2. Wholesaling. Picture this. You're the middleman. Find properties that are undervalued, put them under contract, and sell the contract to a buyer for a fee. It's like flipping pancakes, except the pancakes are houses and the syrup is cold, hard cash. You don't need to buy the house, you just need to know someone who will. Step 3. Partnerships. Here's the dirty little secret. You don't have to go solo. Find someone with money but no time, and you bring the hustle. They fund the deal, you manage the process. Split the profits, high five, and start planning your next move. Step 4. REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Not ready to tango with tenants? Invest in REITs instead. It's like owning a slice of a skyscraper, but without worrying about the elevator breaking down. You get dividends, they handle the headaches. It's passive income, baby. See the difference? What started as a clueless dream is now a full-fledged reality. Therefore, you're not just winging it anymore. You're building wealth, one brick or duplex at a time. So here's the deal. Investing in real estate without experience isn't just possible. It's hilarious, messy, and life-changing. Start small, stay scrappy, and remember, every mogul was once a rookie. Now go out there, make some deals, and give your bank account something to smile about.